Shipping a car to Abu Dhabi requires expert handling, clear understanding of customs, and compliance with local regulations. A1 Auto Transport offers reliable international vehicle shipping services to and from Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. The cost of shipping a standard car from the United States to Abu Dhabi ranges between $1,500 and $7,000. Larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs may cost more. Customs duties generally add 4 to 5% of your vehicle's value. Abu Dhabi's extreme summer heat impacts vehicle performance. Fire extinguishers are mandatory in all vehicles, and specific car models, especially manual transmissions, may face service challenges due to limited mechanic availability. Proper documentation is essential to avoid delays. Please make sure you have your vehicle registration, title, purchase invoice, valid insurance, export certificate, and other required paperwork ready before shipping. RoRo shipping is the most popular and cost-effective method for operable vehicles, driving them onto the vessel for secure transport. Container shipping is available if you need to ship personal items with your car. Contact A1 Auto Transport today. Get your free quote and ship your vehicle safely and hassle-free to Abu Dhabi or anywhere in the world.